Today we are going to talk about call, apply, and bind methods inside JavaScript. Before all of that, we need to understand why we need these kind of methods. The main reason is we need to manipulate the context system in JavaScript. What is the context system? Context system is we have a word called this. So we need to handle this keyword inside our JavaScript code. So let's see how we can handle in these methods in various situations. First, I'm going to create an object. First name, last name, full name. In here, you can see the output is coming. So I created the full name method in here, and I include a function inside this full name, and I console log the first name and last name in here. So I use this keyword for that. So that's it. And after that, I call this method. So let's set a space in here like this. Yeah. So now you can see the output is appearing very clearly. So let's create another function. Sorry, another object. India. Let's change this value to Sri Lanka. First name is last name Dhoni, like this. So now my target is I need to get the full name for this MS Dhoni. So how can I do that? So I need to access this object's method inside this object. So in here we need to use this call method. So call method. Let's see how it can be done. Place it on photo. Full name. So in here I call this full name method inside player Sri Lanka object, and I add this call method in here, and I pass this player India as an argument inside to this call method. So we can get output as this MS Dhoni, which is inside this second object. So we can add some more attributes, sorry, no, arguments like this. So batsman. So now you can see the output as MS Dhoni is a batsman. So here I add the arguments to this call method as batsman, and I add this role in here, and I access the role in here. So you can see output like this. So I can add more than one argument like this CSK. So now you can see the output as the new value here. So So after I add this new argument, you can see the new value added here. So it's worked fine. So let's see how this apply method works. So in here you can see nothing changed, only added this array symbols between this batsman and CSK arguments. So let's see what happened. Now you can see the output is coming very clearly. So this call methods and apply method is only different is we need to pass these arguments inside array. So that is the only different in apply method. So let's try bind. So in here you can see we add this bind method in here and we remove that array symbols when we use inside apply method. So its arguments very similar to call method, and we declare a variable called player and we assign this value to that. So let's see the output like this. Player variable like this. So you can see its function. So in here, this method is not invoking immediately like these methods. It save inside this variable. We can invoke this function when we need like this. So now you can see this output is appearing in our console log. So that's how we work this call, apply, and bind. So the call and apply methods are very similar. Only different is when we need to use this array passing arguments, and call or binds are also same. The argument passing methods, everything is same. But when we use call method, it invoking immediately in their line, so line 15. But when we use bind method, is not invoking immediately. We can save that function inside the variable and we can invoke that function when we need. So that's it.